morning children. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine. Children, this is your reading book, Phonic Reader Book 2. Now open the page number 17. Now let's start the reading. A B-I-G big, B-A-G bag, W-I-T-H with a T-A-G tag. A big bag with a tag. A big bag with a tag. Now read with me again. A B-I-G big, B-A-G bag, W-I-T-H with a T-A-G tag. A big bag with a tag. Now read the next line. T-H-E the, F-A-T fat, C-A-T cat, O-N on, a L-O-G log. The fat cat on a log. The fat cat on a log. Now read it again. T-H-E the, F-A-T fat, C-A-T cat, O-N on, a L-O-G log. The fat cat on a log. T-H-E the, H-O-T hot, P-O-T pot, W-I-T-H with a T-I-N tin. The hot pot with a tin. Now read it again. T-H-E the, H-O-T hot, P-O-T pot, W-I-T-H with a T-I-N tin. The hot pot with a tin. Now children, you will understand that how can we read the page number 17. You will read this page again and again with the guidance of your parents. Thank you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.